Welcome. I am Ana, and I am at the School of Biosystems and Food Engineering. This is a quick practical guide on how to use superhuman machine-enhanced vision for your experiment, hyperspectral imaging.
At the end of this training, you will have a basic understanding on background knowledge, techniques, and protocols related with the equipment that we use in the Spectral Imaging Research Group. This will help you to be better prepared for your face-to-face training and make the most of your time with the instruments and the expert trainers. Here you can see a sample of the equipment available in the Spectral Imaging Research Group. As you can see, we have macroscopic imaging instruments that we can use to measure objects like leaves, fruits, and food products. And we also have microscopic systems that use different techniques to measure very small samples ranging from nanometers to centimeters. This training will be focusing on macroscopic imaging, big objects, and particularly on the benchtop hyperspectral camera by Hyperspecs. You can complete this training on your own time, and I recommend you to follow it or review it on the week before your experiments or your face-to-face induction to the instrument. On each lesson, you will find an interactive video to help you remember and understand the most important principles of each lesson, reading material, including scientific articles and laboratory protocols that apply these principles, and a quiz that you can use to evaluate your learning progress. In addition, at the end of the module, you will create a complete laboratory protocol using the equipment in the context of your own research project. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next lesson.